Woodsrunner kit is the second to last one that we've developed. It's based on a gun, or a couple guns, that were believed to have been made in the Valley of Virginia, again, probably during the 1760s or 1770s. It's a gun that is a rifle. It developed the name Woodsrunner just from a modern day collector that sort of had the gun for a long period of time, and he kind of named it that, so it became referred to that in the collecting community. It's a gun that is very handy. It was pretty hastily built, but still had a lot of neat lines to it and in a neat style. So it was one that we chose to reproduce. The Woodsrunner has a 39 3/4 inch barrel, which makes it a little handier than some of our long rifles, because they had a little longer barrel. And people, especially people that are used to modern guns, the real long barrel is something that kind of deters them and scares them off a little bit. So it's a little bit more palatable towards people that are new. It's a little lighter gun in general, so it handles very, very well. And the architecture is such that it usually fits people very well. Has nice lines, it looks good. It's the machining and everything is highly refined, so it goes together very, very well. And it's definitely our best seller. People really enjoy it, and it's been a real good product offering.
It's in really popular calibers as well. Since it comes in 45, 50, and 54, it kind of covers the bases for what a lot of people are looking for. And that's one that we would really recommend for new people, mainly because they're probably looking to maybe hunt deer or target shooting. So with it being a rifle rather than the shotgun style, it's more useful, and it's shorter and those kinds of things. And it just goes together really easily. So it's you never know which products are going to necessarily take off. You don't know what the response is going to be, but the Woodsrunner, there's been a terrific response. It's been great. It's been a couple years since we released it, and it's still doing really well.
Yeah, very well.